My name is Martin Schmidt. I'm from Lima, Peru, and I work for Rainforest Expeditions. Rainforest Expeditions has 3 lodges in southeastern Peru, just 30 minutes flight from Cusco, where Machu Picchu is located. And all our 3 lodges have a different concept. One of the lodges, Posada Amazonas, is a lodge that is co-managed with the native community. They get 60% of the profits, the company gets 40% of the profits, and the lodge is owned by the native community. And the project includes training of staff and guides, and after 20 years, the lodge is going to pass to a full management of the native community. So we're in the 10th year right now, and it has been great, and we're looking forward to the next 10 years. Well, actually the 2 other nominees, they have similar projects, but each of us has a different essence, and it's great that something like that is awarded, because we have a lot of things to share with everybody that wants to listen. And what makes us different is that we were actually one of the first in South America to do something like this, and the first in doing a project like this where profit is shared, decision taking is by consensus. So people from the native community, they have a control committee of members that are voted by the native community of 600 people. They vote for 10 people that represent them, and they meet with management of Rainforest Expeditions to take decisions on staff, budget, maintenance, more rooms, new activities, everything that includes our operation in Tamopata, in the rainforest. These kind of recognition are important to show to the native community that we work with that the direction that we are heading is the right direction. And that makes something that at the beginning was a problem, which is trust, because you have to understand that people from the capital of Peru and people from the rainforest of Peru were coming together to work on a business, on a joint venture. So trust was something that had to be beaten at the beginning. And these kinds of prizes and recognitions and awards, they help a lot. It was very interesting to see what is being talked about at this high level. I come from Peru. We don't move a lot of people in tourism business, not yet. At least we're small, although we're growing fast. And it's interesting to learn what the people are talking about, the tendencies, the problems that we are facing currently, and the problems that we're going to face in the future. And just exchanging information with people that also work in like airline industry or big hotels. We're a small company in the world, medium company in Peru, but here we have the chance to exchange information with people from other branches within the travel industry.